everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing part 2 to my spotlight on small businesses Etsy haul. It's a fancy way of saying that I bought a bunch of stuff from Etsy. I did a part 1 to this video a while back. I will link that up above here if you're curious. And today I have part 2. Basically, what had happened was I went on Etsy to order some Christmas gifts, and oh my goodness, so much cute stuff, so much cute stuff. And y'all know me, I am like a very spooky season all the time person. My dream. The first video of this definitely had a lot more spooky stuff, spooky season stuff. This one has a couple though. It's got a few. And then there's a lot of Schitt's Creek fandom stuff and just cute stuff. So I split up my haul into 2 different parts because it is a lot of businesses. This one does have businesses that I purchased more than one product from, but all the links to these shops and the items will be linked down below. And let's jump into this. Let's go. The first product here, this is from RoseApparelUS. Oh my goodness. It is a maroon sweater that says Rose Apothecary on it from Schitt's Creek. Obviously, if you've seen Schitt's Creek, this is the store that David opened. I love it, and I've actually had something like this on my Amazon wish list for a very long time, and I finally found this one on Etsy, and I liked the color of this one a lot more because the only color that I recall seeing on Amazon was gray. And I have so many like gray and black clothing. Like sometimes I like a little bit of color. This is like seriously so soft though, so comfortable. And now that we are officially in semi-cooler weather, I'm wearing layers. Okay, this is perfect. I can't wait to wear it. It's so adorable. So love this. This one was, I have a list. I have my list still. It's the same list. This was $32.55, which for a big sweater like this, I feel like isn't that bad. Obviously Etsy is a bit more expensive because it's got like, you know, kind of handmade, higher quality items. So the next item, this one is from Success 69. This was $24.99, and you guys, so it's a gray tee. It's got kind of like bleach stains on it. And the tee is of Jason and it says, "Bitches be trippin'." I don't know why this makes me so happy, but like as soon as I saw this, and also if you are a fan of like the spooky season stuff, but you also like the humor involved with it, you can find on Etsy a lot, I mean a lot of shirts with horror movie characters half naked on them. So it's like their backside, like you can see, you know, it's cute. It's cute. I didn't get any, but this is kind of as far as I got. I love this though. I think this is so cute. I think it's so fun, and it's definitely right up my alley. I ended up getting a green color. Why? I don't know. Who was I that day? But seriously, it's me. I like it. I actually did get more than clothes this time, I swear. But this, I think, is also, yes, this is also from RoseApparelUS. So listen, when you buy something from an Etsy shop, sometimes they will send you a coupon code for, you know, 10, 15, 20% off your next purchase. Okay, I get why they do it. I get it. I wish that I could get that code for my first purchase, but I get why they do it for the second purchase, but it made me buy more. So the sweater from RoseApparelUS got me a discount on my next order. So I went and I looked to see what else they had. Okay, 2 things. I got 2 shirts. The first one is just a plain black shirt, and then over like where you would normally have like a pocket, it's just a couple little friendly ghosts. This shirt, and I don't have like, I don't know exactly what I paid after the discounts, but if you want this t-shirt, it's $20.99. It's so cute. At least for the size that I got. The sizing is different. The sizing changes the price on Etsy with some stuff. So this one, this is a large, and it's $20.99, but it's so cute, and it's so like, this is like the friendly spooky season stuff that I can wear to like the kids' Halloween parties at their school. So it works out nicely in that regard. And then I also got this shirt. This was also $20.99, and this says Salem Local Witches Union, established 1692, sky above, earth below, peace within. I love this. I think this is the cutest thing. I love it. And I feel like there was a lot of like hocus pocus themed stuff and a lot of like Salem witches themed stuff, and this was definitely one of my favorites because I love the fact that there's, you know, the Witches Union. I love that. I think it's so cute. So that was another one that I picked up. So soft too, I swear. This is from Canvas, Bella and Canvas. That's the brand of this shirt. Super soft, super cozy feeling. I love it. Okay, this one was from a store called WeeBeeDesign. They actually didn't pay enough postage, so I had to go to my post office and pay the extra postage, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. I get how the mistake could be made. Super cute packaging though. Okay, this was $15, and these are David's sweater earrings. How stinking cute are those? So obviously one of the best parts of Schitt's Creek is David's wardrobe. Like, his wardrobe is just iconic, and these are just little sweaters, just earrings made out of his cute little sweaters. And you can get a bunch of like different phone cases and stuff, and there was one phone case that I had seen that was all of his different sweaters like on a phone case. I ended up getting this one, obviously, if you watched my last video, but so cute. I love these, and I love the fact that they're not like matching, so you can kind of mix and match the sweaters. I think it's so cute. 15 bucks for these, definitely worth it in my opinion. They are adorable, and I cannot wait to wear those because that's the type of like, I like either classic stuff or I like the super cute, very specific fandom stuff, and that's the kind of stuff that I love. Obviously, you know me and my Tumbler addiction. Listen, switching over to these has saved me so much money in soda, especially wasted soda, because I pretty much just put my Mountain Dews in there. But it saved me so much money because it keeps it cold longer, okay? I love them. So I have been getting so many tumblers. This one is from HJayCustomsCo, and I will say, okay, this is where it gets confusing. I have a lot of plastic tumblers. This one is a plastic tumbler. I prefer the stainless steel ones like this is because it keeps your drinks colder longer. But I have a bunch of plastic tumblers from like years and years. Look how cute that is. Oh my God. From years and years and years ago. And I'm at the point where I want to get rid of a lot of those and switch over primarily to stainless steel. But I saw this one and I could not pass it up. Okay, let me put the straw in so you can get the full effect. This one is a plastic one, and I'm okay with that. It is a Starbucks like knockoff cup, right? Look at that. Is that not so stinking cool? I mean, genuinely, I am obsessed with this, and yes, I definitely want to move over to more of these stainless steel tumblers, but I saw this and I could not pass it up. This is totally up my alley. I freaking love this. So cute. This one was $32.50, which is a bit more than I like to pay for plastic tumblers. But again, how am I gonna pass that up? That is so stinking cute. And this place, HJayCustomsCo, has a lot of different ones. So if you're not super into horror movies, they've got a lot of really cute ones. But then there are also, you can find a ton of the stainless steel ones. Like my next item, which also ironically is from HJayCustomsCo. Would you believe that? But so, you know, short story long, I'm planning to get rid of a lot of like my old plastic tumblers and switch over to kind of the nicer like stainless steel ones. Customizable ones too. This store does. Take that. This is another Starbucks cup. This is one of those like grippy ones, right? Where it's like the black matte grippy. But then the Starbucks logo is like the skeleton mermaid thing. Very similar to this one. Okay. And this is like the big daddy, like the big boy. I don't remember how much this one cost, and I don't seem to have it written down, but I love it. I think, if I remember correctly, I think I bought this and then they sent me a discount code and I used it to get this. I think. I could be wrong. Can we just? And obviously, right up my alley. I love it. But yeah, so I'm trying, again, getting rid of some of my plastic tumblers to switch over to more of like the stainless steel ones because I like them a lot more. But some of the plastic ones I'll hang on to. These are so cute. I love these so much. Oh my God. This is an interesting one. In my personal opinion, it's probably not. So I was looking for Christmas gifts and I found a couple of shirts for one of my friends at this Etsy shop, but then I continued looking. So I ordered some shirts from this shop for my bestie for Christmas. These are not for her, these are for me. But this shop is called Charming Cheetah. Okay, so I ordered a couple of things for myself. I ordered her Christmas presents, and then this was another shop that has sent me a discount code. So the prices I'm giving you are the prices on the Etsy shop without a discount code. I don't remember how much I paid, don't ask me these questions. The first shirt I got is this. I love this like bleach tie-dye job. Oh my God, this is so cute. But it is a skeleton giving the middle fingers, wearing a baseball hat. Do we need any other descriptors? Is this good? I love this. I don't know what my obsession with like just very offensive t-shirts is. I blame my mother for it because she always wore very offensive t-shirts. And I think I picked up on that. I love it. This shirt is $28.50 if you go and buy it, and it is, again, the canvas, Bella and canvas. I want a heat press. I want one of the Cricut heat presses so bad so I can make my own shirts like this. And I'm gonna have to remember this brand because these shirts are so comfy. They're so soft. Oh, I love them. Okay, love this. Also, little tie-dye vibe one. This one was $24.50 and it says thick thighs and spooky vibes. I feel like this just sums me up so well. You know what I mean? This is me. This t-shirt is me. It's so cute. Ah! I also got a sweater. This is $39, but again, it is this like bleached. Do you guys, can you tell that I love this? I love this so much, and I like Etsy because you can literally customize the shirts. You can get it in any color you want. It's great. This one says dead inside, but caffeinated. Ironically, I have a t-shirt with a very similar skeletal lady holding coffee with her hair in a bun. What exactly does it say? I don't recall. It's up in my closet though. It could say a couple of different things. But dead inside, but caffeinated. Also describes me to a T. Anyways, I saw this and I was like, girl, you just gotta. And so I did. This t-shirt was $24.50. Okay, tie-dye again. And the front of the shirt has all of the places. This was it's called the horror, oh, I don't know what it's called. That was my name for it. This is like the horror squad tee, okay? Haddonfield, which was Michael Myers. You've got Woodsboro, which was Scream, Ghostface. Crystal Lake was Jason, Elm Street, Freddy. And then Silent Hill. And it's just a nice, in case you ever forget, little list. I love it. Thank you. Okay, and then I got a tumbler. Because I had to, there are just, listen. I've been buying tumblers like crazy and I'm taking a break now. Oh, I just bought a whole bunch from FabFitFun. No, stop. Stop. Don't let me buy any more tumblers, seriously. I've been using them literally every day though. And I feel like I need them, but no more, genuinely. I'm gonna need to go through mine. Oh. This was $29. God. It's the horror guys with the damn Friends logo. Listen, I like the show Friends. And I like horror movies. Also, here's a little bonus for you guys. This is from a company ByMayaa. I was not going to get this, but I had these in like my loves list and they ended up going on sale and I was like, oh, might as well. So this is from ByMayaa, and ByMayaa makes earrings. There's a whole bunch of different ones, including in like little category that I got them in. They were out of a couple of the ones that I wanted, but I managed to pick up these. Those are It and Annabelle DVD earrings. I'll give you a second to get over your shock. Little DVD cases. This is the stuff that gets me excited, seriously. Like, well, beyond makeup, because y'all know me and I love my makeup, right? But like, okay, seriously, I cannot buy any more Tumblr. I don't have any more room as it is, and I bought like 6 from FabFitFun, and then like these 3. I don't even know how many there are. There are 3. So that is my small business haul. Now, obviously, a lot of these companies do have more than just horror movie and Schitt's Creek themed stuff. So if you are interested, I will link the shops and the items down below. And if you like specifically the things that I myself have chosen, they will be linked down below as well. How do you not? How do you not? Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Let me know down below what your favorite Etsy find has been. Recommendations for shops. Anything. Also, I just found out that you can get chinchilla stuff on Etsy, like little chinchilla toys and treats and stuff like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I need to go place that order actually because I don't think I ever checked out. I put it all in my cart. So let me know down below your favorite Etsy shops or any Etsy recommendations that you have. And thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the bigger subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me. I normally do makeup. Sometimes we venture off into other things. And I'll catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Goodbye.